In this video, we will design or make the assembly of the first shaft. As you can see, there is 16 pieces of cutter, means 8 cutters one direction and 8 the other direction. As you can see also, the shaft is start by the spacer 5 mm, the other shaft is start by the 2 spacer 15 mm, and the reverse in the end. So we'll start to make one after we make the other. So let's go. Here we open new assembly. We will take this one. It's 15 mm spacer. Now we'll take one spacer, one cutter. First relation is contact. Okay. Now here and here. Okay. No, sorry, we forget. We'll put another spacer also. So let me make it here. Okay. It's okay now. Now we'll put another spacer. Here. Same as before. So now we will add the other cutter. So first contact, and there. Okay, and also here. Now as you can see, this the target. Okay. Now what we will do, we will do a repetition, line of repetition. Okay, the part, this one, direction, any direction to be like that, reverse. Here we'll check every one cutter, between two cutter there is one space, so this is logic like that. We will also repeat this part, direction, same, the space it's not same, it will be 60 and it will be a total 8 pieces. Same for this one. Direction, this direction, reverse, and it's 8 piece like that. As you can see, this is the first shaft. We will add now 5 mm and okay, it's finished. As you can see, this is the first shaft. Why we didn't start by the shaft? Because who make the machine, he didn't mention any dimension of the shaft. So we will complete this shaft, this assembly, after we can see how much size, how much the length of the shaft. This is all for the first shaft. So we will save it, and first shaft. Okay.